What's up on a pressure power wash here at True Clean. We're going to show you how to properly operate your trailer. First, you're going to take out your high pressure hose off the reel. Going to make sure that you got some water in the tank, obviously. You're going to make sure that your ball valve is on. And I don't care if you've been a pro for 45 years, you just make sure you got some oil on that dipstick. Otherwise it's a $4,000 mistake. But you want to fire that bad boy up and see what's happening. Alright, there you go. You want to fire that machine up, give it a second to run, get it warmed up a little bit, leave that ball valve open, never crank that machine up with the ball valve closed. And also, when you shut it down, leave the ball valve open. Never, ever, ever leave pressure in that pump when you shut that machine down. You'll ruin it. Anyway, we got a surface cleaner here. We're going to show you. They got quad nozzle action going on here. We're going to show you how that cleans. Get that RPM all the way up. Hook her up, turn on the ball valve. Eight gallons a minute. Look how clean that is right away. No stripes, no lines, no swirl marks. That's quad nozzle for you. You can go fast or you can go slow. Check that out. That's how we do it here in West Palm Beach. Proper way to disconnect. And there you go. Let it oil down for a second. And then shut it down.